Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new, my name is Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an iPad Pro unboxing. I love watching those videos on the internet or whatever, so I thought I would do one for you guys today. I purchased the iPad Pro 2020 in silver, and I also got the Apple Pencil as well as free AirPods with the education prices, which I will talk about later in the video. Also, if you are new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below for more iPad videos that I will be doing in the future. So like I said, I did purchase the Apple Pencil. This happens to be the newest version. I know they have the older ones still available on like Best Buy or whatever. But this is the one that just hooks up to your iPad, like it charges and you put it next to it, which is really, really nice. And what's great is that when you first start opening up your iPad, you can just easily put one of your Apple devices next to it and it will hook up super, super easy. It just took a long time for my iPad to update and just to get all the downloaded information onto the iPad, so that took maybe like an hour. Also, setting up Face ID, I looked so dumb doing it, so please enjoy this. And if you didn't know, all you have to do to hook up the Apple Pencil is just place it to the side and it easily connects right away. And this is me just trying out GoodNotes. I purchased GoodNotes for maybe $8, I think, and I recommend this app, but I also know that there's Notability too, so I would watch videos comparing the two because that's how I knew which one to pick based off the different features and stuff. So I would recommend watching those before purchasing either of the apps. I've done my research. And this is me testing out Procreate. This app is around $10 and I was so excited for this app. Also, if you notice the little animations and stuff in this video, those were all made on Procreate. So I definitely am going to use it to the max and it's going to be worth $10. And then finally, here's me testing out the amazing camera because I haven't had a camera this good because my 8 Plus does not do the camera justice and I look like a wreck. So it is actually the second day I've had my iPad. Last night I was just fooling around with it a lot. First off, I changed the background and I just made it say July, and I made this background on Procreate. So I bought GoodNotes 5 and Procreate. Procreate was like $10 and GoodNotes was I think $9. I watched so many videos comparing GoodNotes and Notability. So with GoodNotes because of the aesthetics more than the actual practicality of it, but I've been playing around with it as well. Here's some of my examples. This is what I was doing with it last night and this morning, kind of just playing around with the handwriting and stuff. I have yet to get like a screen protector for it, and I ordered a case yesterday off Amazon. So it's a little bit interesting writing on it just with the Apple Pencil. And then Procreate, I've been playing around with it as well. So like I said, I made that background. I attempted to do one of those art thingies. It didn't turn out so well, but you know, it was my first try, but it took me like 3 hours. Oh, I also made this GIF kind of thing, GIF, whatever you want to call it. It didn't really turn out that well. And then I also made a new banner, which was super cool. So you guys can, I probably changed it by now. I haven't really watched any tutorials and anything yet. I kind of just went with it, went in, tried to figure it out based on what I've watched, and I found some really cool features just by like playing around. Also, because it is around the college time this year, Apple always has their student education prices. So I got this for I think $10.50. I got the silver one with 512 gigabytes, and then I got the Apple Pencil, and then I also got the AirPods, but those were free, and I actually already have a pair, so I'm giving those to my mom. But if you guys are going to college or are a college student, you can easily get the education prices. Just Google Apple Store education and they should all come up. They have sales on all the laptops and on the iPad Pro and maybe iPad Air. When I was checking to see purchasing like iPad Pros in store through the Apple Store so I could get the education discount and the AirPods, they were always sold out in areas So if you're interested in getting an iPad, I would check it out right away before they all sell out. But I am loving it so far. I got the 11-inch as well. The 12.9 was I was originally gonna get because that's the only one I could find in stock in the store that I could go to. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unconventional unboxing video. I was on FaceTime with my friend. I was like, I want to open the iPad, but we were playing Minecraft. So like I said, I'll be doing iPad videos once I get used to everything and taking notes and stuff. I plan on using this at college and taking notes during my classes, but I'm excited to try it out and keep exploring all the new features. I've been loving it. The only thing I don't like is the charger because it goes USB-C to USB-C and I enjoy my USB cables, but it's okay, I'll survive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media, links in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Peace out, Girl Scouts.